So these values are hard-coded in. Our next step is to replace these values with a token on a marketplace. So this is a marketplace currently running on testnet Rinkeby, and we can use this platform to mint 1155 tokens. So I'm going to connect to my wallet, MetaMask, and I'm connected here. Next, I go to create, and there are two different types of tokens. There's a single and a multiple. Single are 721 tokens, and multiple are 1155s. So I'm going to stick with multiple. Next, I'm going to upload an image. So I took a screenshot of that sphere somewhere. Here it is. And I'm going to upload this desktop sphere. And you can create a new collection, which is a new contract. You can mint another one from their current contract, or you can use an existing one. So I'm going to create a new one from scratch. Set picture, I'm going to use the same picture, sphere. I'm going to call it red sphere. Red sphere. Good enough. Create collection. Confirm. Now this is all testnet money, so don't worry. Confirm. Awesome. Now that the collection is made, I can start minting these tokens. So if I scroll down, I'm going to name this red sphere. Description, red sphere, number of copies. Because this is an 1155 token, I can create more than one. So I'm going to make 44. Select category, art. Put on sale. And I'm going to make the price. Click to create. Approve. Confirm. Mint token. Sign sell order. Sign. Okay, so now we have this red sphere, and we need to pull information from this token. So if you go here, you can scroll down, and you'll see this information here. The token address and the token ID. So now let's connect this back into the Unity project.